Alright, kiddos, grab a blanket and your slubbies, because now we're going to be reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Ooh. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winter howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. He must be really tired. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter tiptoe, creepy calls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Oh, it looks cold out there. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Look at that tiny fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind blow and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Look at that piece of corn. It's like the corn that I work with at work, huh? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters the wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear. I wonder what the bear's gonna do. Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen next? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Could you imagine waking up with all those animals in your room? You've snuck in my lair and you've all had your fun, but me, I was sleeping, I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Have a good night.